about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean and declutter with me. Y'all know I've been on a decluttering kick here lately, and I'm just really trying to get my home nice and organized and making sure all of the spaces in my house are functioning for my family. So I'm going to be cleaning in this video, and I'm also going to be decluttering a space that you guys have never seen before. So I'm going to start this video out today in my living room. I am just going to tidy up really quickly. We had a crazy day. It was Saturday when I was filming, and we had gone to a place called Sky Zone earlier in the day, and the house was just a mess. There was trash all over the floor, and this room really just needed a good tidy up. So that is what I'm going to focus on here, and just making sure everything is nice and tidy.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends.
Once this room is picked up, I do just want to go through and wipe everything down and get it nice and clean. And while I am doing all of this, I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite channels and one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Molly Nicole. She is such a sweetheart, you guys. I found her on Instagram and I fell in love with her feed. Her house is so beautiful. She is really good at styling and decorating. I wish I could be that creative as far as decor goes. She has just been a really sweet friend to me, and I absolutely love her channel and her Instagram. She is going to be doing some cleaning motivation over on her channel today as well, so I am going to leave all of her information linked down below. I would love for you guys to go check her out and let her know that I sent you. And if you're coming over from Molly's channel, hi, welcome. My name is Whitney. I am a mom to 2 kids. I am a stay-at-home mom, but I make a ton of cleaning and organization videos here on my channel, so I would really love for you guys to stick around and subscribe if that is content that you are into. We are always looking forward to meeting new people in the comments and connecting with you guys. That is one of my favorite things about this platform.
I'm just gonna drive.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you.
So we are going to move into the kitchen, and honestly my kitchen wasn't really all that messy today. While we were gone, my husband was so sweet. He went ahead and did all of the dishes for me so that I didn't have a big pile of dishes to do when I came home. So I'm really just going to take this time and kind of get the room straightened back up. I got this new multi-purpose cleaner. Well, it's not new, but it's new for me. It's the Basil scent by Mrs. Meyer's. I've never tried this scent before, and I Love it. It smells so good. It's got a very earthy, fresh scent to it. It is basil, so obviously it's going to smell kind of earthy. But I really like that it's not overpowering and it's just like the perfect light scent to give you a little bit of scent, but not going to give you a headache at the same time. I also wanted to dust down my blinds really quickly. When I dusted down the blinds in one of my recent videos, I completely forgot to do the kitchen for whatever reason. So I am just going to take this time and do that, and then I will move over to the countertops. I will get all of those picked up and straightened out, and then I will go in and wipe those down as well.
Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. By you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away. All that I do is wait for you.
So you can't really tell, but my cooktop had a lot of black spots on it, so food that was burnt on here, and I haven't scrubbed this down in quite a long time. So I'm just taking my favorite cooktop cleaner. I'm going to give this a really good scrub down using some elbow grease, and then I will go in and wipe it off because you can't really get it off very well. You have to kind of wipe it down a few times. It leaves a film on it. That's the only thing I don't like about this product, but it does do a really good job of making sure all of those black spots are off of your cooktop.
I'm falling behind you now. I'm losing my mind. I'm blending into the moving crowd. It's like I'm lost in the night. Trying to keep up with the time. Why don't you slow it down? I'm not gonna find you. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard.
I also wanted to wipe down my glass here. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but there are a ton of handprints on here. We had a snowstorm recently and the kids were outside playing and in and out of the house, so this glass door really needed to be wiped down. And then once I am done with that, I'm actually going to get into some decluttering. So this is the bottom of my hutch that I have in my quotation dining room. It's not really a dining room. It was functioning as my office, but if you guys have been around, you know I've been talking about turning this into a dining room. So I really wanted to declutter this space and get it functioning. This is where I keep all of my candles, and this is where I had all of my paper and stuff and supplies for the office. Now, obviously, this is no longer going to be our office, so I just needed to find a new system that was going to work in this area. So that is what I'm going to take the time to do here and just get all of that nice and organized.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine.
So now I'm going to work on my kids' bedrooms, and this is actually later in the evening when I'm filming this, but something that I really love to do is clean my kids' rooms before they go to bed. I just feel like this is really important for a good night's sleep. I'm not trying to hate on anybody who doesn't do this. I'm not saying that what you're doing is wrong. I just feel like this is something that's really important to me and my family, because I know for me, I sleep so much better when my room is clean and there's no clutter lying around. And I feel like it's probably true for children as well. I feel like they just sleep better when they have a clean space. So this is just something that I really try to do for my kids every night. And it doesn't always happen that way. We definitely have our nights where they go to bed with their rooms trashed. We're not perfect. Nobody is. But this is just something that I really try to do. And that way the rooms are kind of set and ready for the next day. They know where all of their toys are, and everybody can just breathe and relax and start fresh on a new day.
Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't.
I don't know if anybody else's kids do this, but my daughter always undresses all of her baby dolls and then she doesn't know how to put the clothes back on. And so I definitely spend way too much time doing this, but I know she loves when I put all of their little dresses back on and all of her princesses are ready for the next day.
Is your love all I need? Is your love
So in Barrett's room, I'm just going to kind of do the same thing that I did in Savannah's room, just kind of pick everything up, get everything put back together. I did a huge toy declutter recently, and so I have so much less stuff to pick up at the end of the night, and it has just been so nice and such a relief off my shoulders. Now, I am not going to be vacuuming in their rooms in this video just because I vacuumed earlier in the day and I didn't film it, and I also just didn't really see the point in doing that again, so that is why you're not going to see that in this video. But again, just making sure my kids' rooms are nice and clean and tidy for the next day.
close to you? For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time
So I wanted to show you guys, it's a little dark, but my little office that I did. I didn't film it because honestly it was just not the most graceful thing that I've ever done. I actually almost broke my desk trying to get it upstairs by myself because I just could not wait for my husband to do this. So this is what we got going on though. It's so cozy. This is stuff I'm trying to sell, but this is what it's looking like. And I love it. It's so cozy and warm in here. I love that it's carpeted. I am definitely somebody who favors tight spaces, and like I've always been a fan of forts and just cozy little areas, so this is really exciting to me, and I'm really excited to edit in here tonight.
like I'm doing time, yet without parole. Got me flirting with disaster.
So the last thing that I'm gonna do in this video is a load of laundry, because I feel like I always have laundry stockpiling in my laundry room, and I have been so behind on laundry. One of the things I told myself that I was going to do this year is be more on top of the laundry, and I just cannot get there. I do not have the headspace. If anything, I feel like I'm falling more behind than I was before. So this is 3 loads of laundry that I'm folding here. that has just been sitting in a hamper for a few days, and I am notorious for having a load of laundry in the dryer, and I will fluff it, I'm not even kidding, for like 8 days until I finally pull out of the dryer, and then it'll just sit in a basket for like another 2-3 days. I don't know what is wrong with me, but I just hate folding clothes and putting them away. It is probably one of my least favorite chores, so definitely something I don't like to do, and I'm trying to be better at doing it. Let me know if you guys are in the same boat or if you are just on top of your laundry all the time. That is cool too. I wish I could be like that, but it's just not going to happen for me.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
So now I am just going to put all of the clothes away, and that is actually going to end today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in the next one.